One storm changed everything. A bridge that connected an entire village was destroyed, and people lost hope. But among them was a hard-working man who believed that helping others was a way of doing good for the sake of Allah. While others saw only a broken bridge, he saw a chance to serve people. Every day, he carried heavy stones and worked under the hot sun. The work was difficult, and many people told him that it was impossible. But he did not give up. He stayed patient and continued his effort, trusting that sincere actions are never wasted. Days passed, and slowly the broken bridge started becoming stronger. Seeing his dedication, the villagers became inspired and joined him. Together, they worked hard until the bridge was finally rebuilt. The people learned an important lesson. A small, sincere effort can create a big change. Allah sees every good action, even the ones that nobody notices. So never lose hope, keep doing good, and always trust Allah. Root and rule.